Good morning, kabayan. So now I am here. Mainit. So nag-start ng mag-setup dito. So ito yung mga tables sa setup ko na. So bali it's June 23. So ngayon yung celebration ng graduation ni Daphne, pamangkin ko. So mayroong mga bisita rito, mga high school, college friends niya. Gumraduate siya sa York University. Okay, so yan, nagsiset up dito ng mga sounds. Tapos yung backdrop okay na. So yan, nagkabit ng tent. What else? Yung ano nga pala, yung asawa nga pala ng tita ko ay Trinidad Tobacco. So mostly mga ibang ano, Indian rock. Okay, we are now setting up here. So yan, everything is ready na. Yeah, taking a video. Daphne, Sarah, and everything. Oh, ganda naman oh. Alright. Taking a videos. So Tita, say hi. Tita Deo, so everyone can see. We are all set up.
You're vlogging?
Yeah. And this is the salad and the palamig. So ayan, may mga coffee station. Wow, look at this. So ayan, si tita ko lang mga nag-provide niyan. So ganyan sila rito. So ano to tita? What's this? Oh, lasagna. So this is the fried chicken. Sarap naman yan. Where's the pansit? Oh, yun ang pansit. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung labas. So, ito yung pinaka-tarpaulin. Kinabit ko. kabayan, I am now here at my niece Emmanuel doing a sound check. You say, kamusta kabayan?
Huh?
Kamusta kabayan?
Kumusta kabayan?
Alright. So we're gonna do some worship song later. Okay. Show me some finger exhibition.
Alright, Ryan, just try back the
So we're doing a sound check here. So here's Emmanuel and Ryan. We'll do the sound check. The pride of Filipino artists.
No, Ryan is new Filipino. He looks Filipino though, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. He's half Chinese, half Indian.
Oh really?
Yeah.
I thought he's Filipino half.
I thought too. Break your level down a little bit. What's that, Max? No, put it like
Alright,
that.
so yeah, nagche-check sound check kami.
Can I borrow a picture?
Okay, we're doing a rehearsal here. Rehearsal with Emmanuel, Eliza, and Tadeo, and Ryan. This is just a rehearsal. And Chris doing the...
Put on right. No, you put on. Rip off. Rip off.
Alright, kabayan. So yan. Dating nga rin mga bisita. Tapos na mag-ayos doon. So, akit tayo. Bibidyo natin. So, dami ng tao. Huh?
Yeah, I got it now. It depends. She
Okay.
didn't put a washer. Yeah, that's just for an hour. So I guess we can
Just say kung...
the shock is in there, right? The
Yeah, but still.
Okay, this is Emmanuel. With friends. I'm doing my video for Daphne. Hi, baby girl.
What do you want me to do?
Say hi, Daphne.
Hi.
This is the new nursing.
Okay. Here you go. Now you can take around.
So yan, marami ng tao. Starting program.
No, he's the one who
I'm just asking if you did anything. No. I didn't do anything. I'm just asking.
That's the point.
I'm just asking.
Hi to Tadeo. Hello. So these are all the friends of Daphne and everyone. Alright. So yan, medyo marami ng tao.
Yes, can you pour it?
Program will start.
If you notice what you get in mushroom, I love it.
No, IB fluid.
The IB fluid.
That's my favorite today, IB fluid.
The popular IB fluid. Eh, IB fluid kasi rito eh.
Guys, let's have favorite menu? Drinks.
So I'm gonna take this video here. Rice cooker. So yan, happy meals. There you go.
This is Hamilton.
You guys have some dessert ahead. Pastor Moses, come have some food.
Ano dito? Okay na? Class 2022. So ayan, Sita Maria. Busy na uli. I'm making a video. I'm recording everything.
Come pussy.
Oh, nice breeze. So nice outside. I'm going outside, yeah.
Kumusta kabayan? So yan. Ayos na rin ang punggahan dito. So yan, program will start. So mag-start na yung program kabayan. So after nito siguro I'll post my video na at least nakita nyo yung celebration ng aking pamangkin. So yan, Saturday. So okay na naman, at least malaga eh. Nakaraos yung tiyahin ko. Taka kami, kapagod din ha. Itong lamesan to, mayroon ayusin ito, buhat upuan, lamesa, mga tent. So yan. Wala pa yung kakunti pa yung tao. Everybody else sit down. Alright.
But yeah, you can start.
So ayun lang kabayan. So I'll see you on my next video. Go, Mary, go!